Hey, they were out here at one of our listings, 2821 South Skyline, Unit 172, townhome right here in Mesa on Ellsworth and Guadalupe. So we're standing right in front of the community pool right here, and the unit is right there. So nice little walk over to the pool for you. 2-car garage, and come on, let's go check it out. Come on in. So this townhome was built in 2018. It's a 2-bedroom. Both bedrooms are masters. 3-bathroom, just over 1,400 square feet. And come on in and check it out. So we have, right when you walk in to the left, nice dining room area. Good sized dining room. Has the updated gray flooring that matches with everything. And we're going to have a really good sized living room. Mount your TV right here. And this property's got upgrades everywhere. It's got the upgraded shutters on here. So these, nice. And when you walk in from the living room, just to your left, you have a bathroom. And so bathroom, got the nice backsplash, nice white quartz countertops, vanity. And we got some storage area under the stairs, which is great. And we go out here. And you have a nice big peninsula in the kitchen. You have the quartz countertops out here as well. It's got a little bit of bluish gray and some nice speckles in there. And this home will come with the refrigerator, all Whirlpool appliances, and tons of cabinet space. Got the soft close on there. Little whirly bird, what they call that? And this one has a ton of cabinet space. And then right here is your pantry. Large pantry, especially for a townhome. Like I was saying, this one's just over 1,400 square feet, totally updated everywhere. Got a nice big pantry. And then we're going to walk right over here to the garage. Garage is a nice big 2-car. It's got the extended lift, and it's got a little extended area over here. It's got a charger for your electrical vehicle. For your Tesla owners, ready to go. Overhead storage, I have these in my garage. These are very handy. And then nice little workspace and a whole bunch of cabinetry. These are excellent to have. Little cork board, nice little space. And then you got the water heater out here in the garage. We can come on back in. And we're going to head upstairs. So we got the first little landing here, all newer carpet. And we come upstairs. This home will come with a washer and dryer as well. Got the washer dryer upstairs so you don't have to lug laundry. Very convenient. And you got a master on both sides, so we'll start on this side. Nice, good sized room. Ready to go for your TV. This one also has the nice shutters. Nice shutters in here. And you actually have your own little balcony. So this is nice to have your little morning coffee out here. See, these ones over here have little sitting areas. Cool little space. And we go to the bathroom. You have your stand-up shower, toilet area, stand-up shower area. And we're going to have more of the white quartz countertops. Extra cabinet space. Drawers for all the goodies. Spot for your toothpaste. And then this one will have a walk-in closet. Good size. And we're going to walk out this way. So this would be the main master bedroom. Little area. I mean, you could even use this area have a little desk if need be. And we go into the next room, which also has a restroom. And so this one is another good sized room. It's a little bit smaller than the other one. And this one will actually overlook the pool area, so you can see if the pool's busy or not before you head over, right across the way. And this one will have the white quartz countertops, just like in the other restrooms. Nice little vanity, couple drawers. And then this one so the other one's got the stand-up shower, whereas this one will have the bathtub if you have any kiddos. And another walk-in closet. Great space, even for a good rental property. This actually was my client's rental property. And then this one has got the nest. Like I was saying, this unit built in 2018. And the HOA here is going to take care of the roof repair, roof replacement, blanket insurance policy, sewer, water, cable. And this unit, like I was saying prior, is 2 bed, 2.5 bath, and we have it listed at $340,000.